Guys, I'm really scared. If I pour it in, maybe it's gonna explode so bad. I'm like so scared, guys. I don't know if you are, but you're gonna be scared after this.
Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Let's have fun and learn new things. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Let's play, let's learn, dance, sing.
Hey you! Yeah, you! Have you liked and subscribed yet? We'll do it now so we can get to this cool science experiment. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hi guys! Welcome back to London's Toy Box. Today I'm doing a volcano eruption! Guys, what you need for this volcano eruption is a 2-liter bottle, a funnel, 1 cup of warm water, 2 cups of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soap, red food coloring, and your baking soda slurry. Guys, now that you know the ingredients that you need, and now you can do the volcano eruption with me! Yay! Okay, step up. Wait a second. I need to put my safety goggles on. Okay, guys, step number 1 is pour in the warm water. I need to make sure I don't spill it. There we go. Guys, step number 2 is pour 2 teaspoons of soap. So let's pour it in. Okay, let's put 1. And 2. There we go. Guys, step number 3 is pour in 2 cups of vinegar. So let's pour it in wisely. Whoa, I like how it just like does that, guys. It's so cool. Okay, guys, step number 4 is pour in your red food coloring. I'm gonna pour in 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay, guys, step number 5 is make your baking soda super slurry. And you have to mix it good. But guys, I'm gonna be so scared. It looks like a volcano. You have to make sure you mix it really, really good, guys. Okay, guys, so you need to mix this really good. But why? Because it's gonna make your volcano explode good, and you don't want to mess up on this, guys. And it's gonna be really fun, guys. I hope you're watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share, guys. I just really want you to like and subscribe. Wow, guys, this looks like milk or glue. Okay, guys, step number 6. Make sure that you pour in this really, really good, guys. So I'm going to keep on mixing it, and I'm just going to pour it in. Goodness. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, I'm going to take this off and see how it looks. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. It keeps on going, guys. I love this. It is so cool. It is spilling. and it's awesome. Look at this, just like that. Do you see the foam just going out, guys? This experiment is awesome, guys. And it keeps on going. Isn't that awesome? Whoa, look at that volcano. It keeps on spilling. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share. Bye, guys. I hope you love this video. Bye.
Welcome to London's toy box.